Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize TP-Link Kasa with Google Home detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by ensuring that your TP-Link Kasa device is set up and connected to your Wi-Fi network. Open the Google Home app on your smartphone or tablet. If you haven't already, sign in to your Google account. In the app, tap on the plus icon located in the top left corner of the home screen. Select Setup Device from the menu that appears. Choose Works with Google to see a list of compatible devices and services. Scroll down or use the search bar to find TP-Link Kasa. Tap on TP-Link Kasa to proceed. You will be prompted to log in to your TP-Link Kasa account. Enter your Kasa account credentials, including your username and password. After entering the information, tap Login to authenticate your account. Once logged in, the app will ask for permissions to link your TP-Link Kasa account with Google Home. Review the permissions and tap Authorize to grant access. You should then see a confirmation message indicating that your TP-Link Kasa account has been linked. Return to the Google Home app, where your Kasa devices should now be visible. If devices do not appear automatically, tap Refresh to sync them with Google Home. Now, you can control your Kasa devices using voice commands through your Google Assistant. To test, try saying, "Hey Google, turn on the living room lamp." Your setup is now complete, and you can enjoy seamless control of your TP-Link Kasa devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.